Hello, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to my talk today. Hope you will enjoy it. My name is Cloete, and my research in beautiful South Africa focuses on the use of ion beam technologies to understand the chemical makeup of biological materials. Let me start by telling you a little story. Once upon a time, there was a jewelry designer who loved to collect and work with shells to design amazing jewelry. For some time, she suddenly started developing very worrying health problems. For many years, doctors were baffled, and her symptoms only kept worsening. And then one day, the answer finally came: heavy metal poisoning caused by exposure to shells. That brings us to the topic of today. Some regions in South Africa have recently experienced a severe drought, and plans were being implemented to desalinate seawater to produce clean drinking water. However, this type of water hid many dangerous toxins not removed by the desalination process. For example, in some areas of the southern African coastline, high volumes of untreated sewage effluent are being discharged into the marine environment. That is raising many questions and concerns. For example, what kind of contaminants are being released? Where is it being concentrated? What is the seasonal effect? And what can be used to monitor this type of pollution? The answer? Marine mollusks. Marine mollusks are filter feeders that mitigate pollution effects in coastal areas. However, to date, it has been overlooked within the broader Southern African geographic context. Our current research focus will be on assessing the full chemical profile of marine biomonitors along the Southern African coastline by using sensitive techniques that offer powerful advantages. So, what are these techniques? These fall mainly under the umbrella of ion beam techniques. A laboratory harboring such technologies would contain a big machine termed the accelerator that accelerates small particles of different energies that are carried down lines to a station that houses the material of interest. In our case, marine mollusks, cells, and flesh. It's around here, the sample station I'm talking about. So when the particle produced by the accelerator collide with atoms, also described as the smallest particle in the sample, energetic particles are released that provide us with a wealth of information what type of elements or the basic building blocks of life are present in the sample, what their concentrations are, and where they are located. Very interesting. So why is this type of research important? Showing you what elements are in your sample and where in the sample are they located. South Africa has a high population of not only individuals suffering from HIV, but also individuals suffering from comorbid HIV and TB, for whom exposure to toxic metals can have significant health outcomes. The marine environment is also an important ground for recreational activities and sports, and also hides a yet unexploited economy in terms of food security. Therefore, it is important to understand the types of chemicals hiding in toxic effluents and other pollutants being flushed into this unique and beautiful environment, the ocean. And they are not going anywhere. So we need to find out what they are and what their concentrations are so that we can address this very worrying concern. Thank you very much for listening. Bye-bye.